Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I just did a really simple, easy, beginner friendly eye makeup look. All I did was use my Naked 2 palette, and then the highlight that I use in my face, I use that on my inner corner and brow bone highlight. It didn't take a lot of time. I did this look a little bit ago, posted it on my beauty Instagram. I got 15 likes. I still think that's like pretty good. So I just wanted to do it, and also I'm going out of state in like under an hour, and because I'm wearing like this gray sweater, I was like, I'm not gonna put on anything like colorful on my eyes. I'm just gonna do something neutral. Like, I still want to put makeup on, of course. So that's what I did today, or this evening I should say, as it's getting darker. I hope you stick around, and without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hello. Okay, this look makes it look like you put a lot of effort into your eyeshadow, but you really didn't. It took me about 5 minutes to put on. I had to charge this battery really quick. So I'm going to be using the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay, and I only used 4 colors. I'll show you which ones as I'm going through. I already primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion and Anti-Aging. So I'm going to be taking the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14 brush, and I'll be taking the shade Foxy. I got my mirror, so we're good now. We have everything here. I'm just going to apply it all over my lid. This Foxy shade, it's like more of a yellow undertone base shade, which I don't normally go for, but I'm trying to only use one palette, so it actually helps blend the shadows better. I always go in phases of setting it with a shadow and not setting it. I think either works, it's just preference. I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics blending crease brush. Everything rubbed off, but I know this brush so well, and I'm gonna go into the shade Tease, the only matte shade in the palette. It's like a grayish purple matte shade. Fluff that into the crease. My friends are coming over in less than an hour. We are going out of state to see my friends, and it's so weird because I normally go to Massachusetts by myself, but this time I actually got people. I just went there for New Year's Eve, and my friend Celeste came with me. Today I got Tori, Caroline, and Elise. We're visiting our friends Kyle and Scordino. You would know them if you know me personally, or you would see them a lot on my Instagram. We're also seeing Ian, and then some other people, Griff. And yeah, I'm excited. I didn't want to do some, this is looking kind of like choppy on camera, but like I accidentally put like so much of the dark color in like my crease that it like probably looks like that. I think that's good. I did like 3 minutes of blending, but it's fine. Then I'm going to take my ring finger shade Chopper, and in the pan a copper color, but on my finger it looks gold. It's really deceiving. Place that in the middle, and then I blend it out. Pat it all. Find that if you smear shadows, you kind of just smearing the product away, so there's really no point in doing that. It's okay if this gets in your crease, because it always gets in mine, and that's good. And then I go back into Tease with the blending crease brush, and I kind of just go over the crease area a little bit, make everything seamless, I guess. It's a Morphe brush, and I know that it was from a set. I always have bristle fallout with Morphe brushes, but it's more like a tall blending crease brush, but it works really good for the outer corner. So I'm going to take this darker shimmer shade called Busted. I'm going to place it on the outer corner. Yeah, I don't know why this is looking so choppy, but I'll fix it. So I know I've done these types of tutorials on my channel before, but you can never go wrong with a neutral look. Never go wrong with like a beginner friendly look. I didn't want to go like too crazy. We're literally going bowling. It's a really fun place. It's called King's Bowling, and it's gonna be a great time. It's looking so choppy. I don't know why, but what are you gonna do? Now that looks like I have a black eye, we're gonna go back into Chopper and just re-put the shadow on. Sometimes when I put shadows next to each other, the other one kind of fades, so we just want to make sure it's still vibrant enough. I'm just gonna like blend this a lot because I feel like it looks very choppy over here, but I know once I put on my face makeup it won't look bad. Now I want to clean up my black eye. I'm taking Simple Makeup Wipes a little dirty because I used it before. And I'm just going to clean up that right there. And I'm going to clean up the other side again. I'm gonna fix that part, don't you worry. The rest of my face looks kind of like weird because I put my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Redness correcting cream on. It literally blocks out the redness. It's crazy. So I put that on, and now I'm just gonna take this Morphe & Jaclyn Hill JH30 super fluffy blending brush and kind of just go over everything. And if you don't have this palette, don't worry, you can use whatever you want. You can use like a gold shimmer shade, it doesn't really matter. But if you do, then you can just follow right along. I think my shimmer got in my crease and that's why it looks weird. And now I'm going to curl my lashes using my Sephora eyelash curler. They don't make this one anymore, but I know they sell other ones. And as I mentioned in my other videos, I just curl it 3 times, 10 pumps. Except this time I forgot to count. So, I've never liked putting on eyeliner before curling my lashes. I curl my lashes and then the product comes off. So I always curl my lashes before and then I put on eyeliner. It just works for me. So I'm just going to use the Tarte Man Eater. It's actually a brush tip eyeliner and I find it to be so much easier. If you're a beginner, like, get this one. I do love the Stila ones, but this one is more matte, but I just can't talk when I'm doing this, so one sec. I went a little bit thick. It's fine, it's fine. I can never do eyeliner on camera. It's just a known fact for anyone, no one can do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is a little sample. This is normally what the brush would look like. Right there. I know not a lot of people like this mascara, oopsie. But what I've learned through trial and error is that you have to take a little bit of the product off and then go into your lashes, because if you go right into your lashes when you take it out of the tube, you're going to think it is the clumpiest mascara on earth, but it's really not. It's just a very wet mascara, and not a lot of people I think are used to wet mascaras. I wasn't, but now I love this. Like, I used to wear roller lash all the time for 3.5 years straight, but now for like whenever I wear eyeshadow or at least more dramatic looks, this is my go-to mascara. Because I think with the roller lash, I'm not saying it looked bad, but it didn't look the best with really dramatic looks. The roller lash, but also this one, they both have biotin in it, and it helps your lashes grow longer. So, fun little fact. I always just keep going back in with my fluffy blending brush and I feel like it looks weird. This side is like weirding me out. I didn't do this in my original tutorial of this eye look, but this is a new product from Benefit and it's their Roller Eye Bright Pencil. So it's a waterproof soft pink eyeliner just for the waterline. Come on, right there. And you just twist it to go up. And I recommend after using it just to wipe it because it can kind of collect whatever product is around your eyes. It's not stark white, not paper white, and it's not like too pink either. I think they killed it on the color. It's a subtle yet effective product. That's how I like to explain it, subtle yet effective. I think I'm just gonna go back into the crease shade Tease and just kind of really blend everything. That's as good as it's gonna get, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna put on my face makeup and then I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I did the rest of my face. Oh, look at that highlight. Becca Moonstone coming through. So there's a trick that I totally forgot that I should have applied earlier. I'm gonna take the same Sephora number 14 brush in the shade. If you did set it, I'm gonna be taking Foxy. The size more the issue. If you just go kind of in the brow bone area, then you kind of just lighten up a little bit and shape it. And I find that's actually the best way to kind of get rid of the extra product up there. See? It's a lot better now. Oh yeah, that did a lot. I'm just gonna keep doing that until I like the outcome. And I wanted to finish up my eyes on camera. I didn't do my lower lash line. I usually do that last. I also, of course, finish up the rest of my face, but I also do the rest of my brows after I put on my face makeup because they always end up getting kind of messed up. That looks a lot better. With this kind of trick, you can literally add as much as you want and it'll still look good. Okay, so like this, see how it's pointed? This one's not. They always come out different, so I always have to put some of that product on the outer corner. So I'm going to be taking this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush, a JH43. This is my favorite lower lash line brush. It's just perfect. That's all I gotta say. So I'm going to be taking the same crease shade Tease and just gonna line my lower lash line. You can use as much product as you want or as little, it does not matter. I try not to put a lot of product underneath my lower lash line. I've always liked the look of it being smoked out, but it doesn't look good on me. I'm going to take my highlight, which is the Becca Moonstone, the pale gold, and it looks amazing on pale skin tones, so yes, us pale girls out there can wear gold. Believe me, I've struggled a lot. I'm going to take my Little Mermaid brush. Any angled brush will do. So what I'm going to do is dip this in brow bone highlight. I already did set my face too. This is what I'll do after I set my face. Take more and I'll go right underneath bottom inner corner. I'll just put some right there. I don't like to go crazy because for whatever reason my eyes can get really irritated if I put a lot of like shadow in my inner corner, which is why I typically just like to use highlight because, knock on wood, it hasn't been irritating my eyes. So that's what I'll do. It just makes you look a little bit brighter. And I'm just going to remove the foundation from my mouth because it feels gross. I don't know how people do that because it makes me feel really dry. Well, it's mostly not a tutorial, but putting on Marc Jacobs Pretty Thing number 318 lip gloss. This is my go-to lip gloss. You can wear it with literally anything because it's so clear. I just wiped off a chunk of By My foundation. Whoops. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos on makeup tutorials, beauty in general, inspirational skincare, you know, all that kind of thing. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload right then and there. One more thing I forgot to mention. All products that are on my face will be listed in the description box, so if you have any questions, all the answers are down there. And I hope you have a great day. I'm so excited. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!